In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp automations. Automations in ClickUp are a great way to save time and reduce repetitive manual work. Instead of updating tasks yourself every time something changes, you can create rules that let ClickUp handle those actions automatically in the background. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create a simple automation inside a list, from opening the right area to reviewing and saving your rule. To begin, open the ClickUp list where you want the automation to run. This is important because the automation will apply within that specific list. So make sure you're in the correct place before you set anything up. If your workflow is organized by team, project, or process, take a quick second to confirm you're editing the right list. Once you're inside the list, go to the upper right corner and click the Automations icon. This opens the automation panel, where you can view existing rules or start building a new one. If you've never used automations before, this is the area where everything is managed. Next, under Other Automations, click Create Automation. This opens the automation builder, where you'll define what should happen and when it should happen. Think of this as creating an "if this happens, then do that" rule for your tasks. Now enter a name in the field labeled Name this automation rule. Give it a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. A good name helps if you end up creating multiple automations and want to manage them quickly. After that, choose the trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the automation. For example, you might select something like status changed. This means the automation will run whenever a task's status meets the condition you set. Then configure the trigger settings. Depending on the trigger you selected, ClickUp may ask for more details, such as the starting status and the destination status. Be as specific as needed here, because these settings control exactly when the automation should activate. Next, select the action. This tells ClickUp what to do after the trigger occurs. For example, you might choose to change assignees, create a subtask, or add a comment. The right action depends on the workflow you want to automate. Once you've selected the action, configure its details. Fill in the required information, such as who should be assigned, what the subtask should be called, or what comment should be posted. This step makes the automation practical and useful in your day-to-day process. Finally, review both the trigger and the action to make sure everything looks correct. Then click Create. Your automation will now be saved and ready to run automatically whenever those conditions are met. Thanks for watching.